not in your hands, but decisions are in your hands. Your decision can make luck, but luck can never make your decision. So always trust yourself. 10% of world's population may have been infected by COVID-19. Dr. Michael, the head of emergencies at WHO on Monday, said that WHO's best estimates indicate that about 10% of the global population may have been infected by the coronavirus. Ryan said that the figures vary from urban to rural and between different groups, but it means that the vast majority of the world remains at risk, he added. Prime Minister Narendra Modi, while discussing the use of AI at the RISE 2020 virtual summit, said we must protect the world against weaponization of AI by non-state actors. He said that it remained everyone's collective responsibility to ensure trust in how AI is used. Algorithm transparency is key to establishing this trust, he added. Elon Musk's space exploration firm SpaceX won $149 million contract to build missile tracking satellites for the Pentagon. The US Space Development Agency said the contract involves building 4 satellites fit with the wide-angle infrared missile tracking sensor supplied by subcontractor. This is SpaceX's first government contract, which it is expected to fulfill by 2022. Andhra Pradesh CM Y.S. Jaganmohan Reddy paid a visit to PM Narendra Modi on Tuesday to discuss pending state-related issues, including fund release for Polavaram irrigation project. Reddy reportedly requested for an early release of pending revenue subsidy of 10,000 crore and 3,250 crore funds for the Polavaram project, as well as construction of the High Court in Kurnool. AI never will replace the human mind, said Mukesh Ambani. Reliance Industries chairman Mukesh Ambani on Monday said artificial intelligence can never replace the human mind. It never can, it will never will. He added the adventure of modern AI is comparable only to the birth of intelligent life on our planet. Ambani also said that the time is right to make India a world leader in AI. A woman discovered a new species of spider with 8 eyes after spotting it in her backyard in Australia. After posting its pictures on Facebook, Amanda De Giorgi was informed by spider expert Joseph that the species was unknown and asked her to send to him for examination. The spider is a part of the genus Gropjotus. Instagram releases several features to mark its 10th birthday, including a private stories map, custom icons, and anti-bullying features. Users can view stories across the last 3 years through a map feature and can even select a custom icon for an app on their home screen. The photo sharing platform has also enabled hiding potentially offensive comments and expanded nudge warning. Google rebrands G Suite as Google Workspace. Google on Tuesday announced the rebranding of its set of online collaborative business tools G Suite as Google Workspace. The new name reflects that work is not happening in a physical state that's called an office anymore. The vice president of Google Workshop, Javier Soltero, said the rebranding coincides with the launch of features that integrate the various services. Kajal Agarwal announces wedding with entrepreneur Gautam on October 30. Actress Kajal Agarwal took to social media to announce that she will tie the knot on October 30 in Mumbai with entrepreneur Gautam in private ceremony. The pandemic has shed a sobering light on our joy, but we are thrilled to start our lives together, read part of his statement. Gautam is founder of an interior design studio. Tata Consultancy Services on Monday became the second Indian firm after Reliance Industries to achieve a market valuation of over 10 lakh crore. TCS shares jumped over 7% ahead of its board meeting later this week to consider a share buyback proposal. TCS last month became the second Indian firm to have a market valuation of over 9 lakh crores. Shakuntala Devi booked a world record after she multiplied 2 randomly selected 13-digit numbers in just 28 seconds. That was really quick. This guy has the most stretchy skin in the world. He can stretch his skin to a length of 15.8 cm. India has the largest number of women pilots in the world. So if you think women can't drive, well, they can even fly. Scientists took Stephen Hawking to a zero-gravity shuttle once to lift him from his wheelchair and make him happy. First 4 letters of the Google logo comprise of primary letters, but instead of having the pattern go in order, the company decided to break it with the secondary color on a letter L to show that Google doesn't play by the rules. Thank you for watching. I hope this is